Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, or should I say, welcome to a coding video today. So, this is my first time doing any code, like I'm using Python for the first time. I actually used it before a while back in school for some schoolwork and some projects. So, I'm coming back to Python finally. Okay, so today I have made an calculator kind of thing. So I'm just gonna explain how to make these kind of things in Python. I'm using Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short, and it is pretty great. Before I used Python as itself, I did not use VS Code, and I used the IDE or IDLE, the development environment, I think. Let me just find the name real quick. I'll take my book, bro. It's an integrated development learning environment. So I used IDLE in school. So I just learned. So here, this is the first thing we're gonna write. Pretty simple stuff actually. Here we have written print and space parenthesis. This bracket is called a parenthesis in coding or just in general. And we have double quotes here, and this is a program to add numbers. You don't have to capitalize each starting word. I just did it because I'm sophisticated like that, classy man. And you have to add like these are the opening parenthesis and opening opening double quotes. These are the closing parenthesis and double quotes. So next, here this is something new for us. It is the input command, sorry. So if you want to input any data from the user, you have to make a variable first. So let me just show you what a variable is. So variable can take any name. It can be like this, but you have to put it in code, not exactly in quotes, but it's better to do that for alphabet related things. Exactly. Let me think. Mostly for text, like strings. Let me just show you. Uh, Joe. Here we go. So the name is Joe. Okay. Okay, see you. Bro, my dad called me for some work. Damn. Okay. So I was just teaching you guys what variables are. So we can just write print and start this. Okay. So your name might not actually be Joe, but let's just pretend. Okay. So here your name will start being like, you have to use a comma, then name. So after that you have to do the thing. Yeah, that's it. So if you enter and start up, execute this command, you'll see. Wait, wait. Oh no. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something I write. She. Let me just a new one. Okay. Let's just execute this. Is everything right? Yeah, everything's right. Yep, let's go. Okay, so here this is just an example. Okay, this is how my calculator is working. So here I have given the value of the first number, that is to be taken as x. It is actually an integer, so I have written int over here in green text. It is like that. I don't know why, bro, but It's green for some reason. Or is it turquoise? Cyan, something. I don't care. I don't know much about colors. Okay, I failed kindergarten. So after that, you have left a space, and indentation is very important in Python. I hate that about Python, but you have to learn. C sharp is really good, C++ too. And here you have given input, two brackets actually, the double bracket gang. Let's go. And the first number and second number, the same thing for the second number, but you have to change the variable, or else you can give it as capital X also. Cool. So here I'm gonna input my first number, that is going to be 69. Yeah, if you know what I mean. And the next one, 40. Sure. So it's 109. And this is a cute little message. Oh shit, wait, what? God damn. Wait. Your name. Oh she bro. It's wrong. Damn it. Frick. Well, let me just finish that. I'll just fix it real quick. Wow. Oh damn it, I forgot everything, bro. So this, and next things next, we have to, oh crap, you have to write yes, how could I forget your name. That has to be an equal, because it becomes an equation. So equals comma name, the variables thing, whatever you have assigned it, I don't care, bro. So there we go. And here let's just run it again. First number 5, next number 6, 11. Wait, what? Oh, I always forgot to change the cursor. 5, then 6, 65. Might as well 70. What the frick, bro? What is happening? Okay, damn. It is okay, I made a mistake. It's like this. You have to put the double quotes here, and frick man, what the hell? You have to do that, do this. That's it, bro. There we have it. Okay, let's take 6. My god. Let's take 6, 7. That'll be 13. Yep, let's go. Here we have it. What are you doing with your life, you loser?
Emotional damage.
Wow. Okay. And here we have our name. Your name equals the variable. You have to give a comma and the variable name, of course, and the value is Joe. You know who Joe is? Joe Biden. You thought I was gonna say Joe Mama. Swak it. You're too predictable, bro.
Emotional damage.
How the input command, how variables work. So next things next, I'm gonna create a new terminal, and here we have it. This is like the input command. You use int to speak about integers specifically whenever you're doing any calculator work shit and all. I don't know, bro. Okay, so you have to do this. Then the variable is sum equals x plus y. So these are the variables. The numbers will be equal to these variables, which are x and y. So the sum, a new variable, will be x plus y. It is an operation. Plus is an operation, obviously. If you passed first grade math or something, you would know. Yeah, most of them don't, but I feel your pain. So next things next, you have to do this print, then whatever I did here. Okay, you have to make a comma, leave space, and write the variable name. It'll be that. So that's it, guys. Have fun in your coding adventure. Psych, you will not have any sleep. Do you see the time, bro? It's 12:41. Good night. Bye. Subscribe. Wait, let me just do something.
Bro wrote subscribe motherfucker seriously lol.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Let me see, bro. Here we go. Wait. Your name is Joe. If your name is Joe, you have to subscribe, motherfucker. Bye.